Shh.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Severus
Harry Potter!
Snape,
Harry Potter!
Harry Potter! Severus
That's me!
Snape,
Harry!
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 Snape,
Harry! Dumbledore! Hermione! Dumbledore!
Snape,
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort.